Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. Guys, in this video I'm going to give the analysis for the expert advisor. So before going to the analysis, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the bell button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading updates from my side. Okay guys, as you know that we are using the expert advisor which works on only two pairs, that is Euro USD and the other one is Euro Canadian dollar. So it works on these two pairs only. So guys, now I'm going to talk about the results that we have achieved today, and even I'm going to talk about the previous results too. Now guys, you can see 50-50, that was the losing trade and it was closed with a profit 3.56. Then you can see the losing trade was automatically adjusted with $5.76, and then 31, 50, 50, 50, 50. So it is giving us consistent profits with no problems. You can see 50, 50 and 50 and 50 and 50. I let the EA work and it is working on a different scenarios. You can see 50, 50, that's one, and then the loss, and then $2 profit, and then 50, 50, 1.17. And going back to the results, if you look at here, 0.01 with 19, 50, 50, 50, 19. Okay guys, when it's working at your end, then let it work. I mean, because we have made this strategy that once our loss goes above $20, then only we are going to trade and scalp the market for a shorter period of time. Now guys, let me show you here. If we go a little back, now you can see here we have some losses that were manually closed by me. We had sell positions on Euro USD. Okay guys, now what happened? Let me open the Euro USD chart. So we have basically the sell positions on Euro USD that were in loss. So what I did here, you can see this trade, this one trade, 23.94. So guys, what I have used, 0.40 lot size were used in the sell position. If we talk about the date, then you can see that belongs to 2nd of February, 2nd of March. So if we look at the previous trend of yesterday, then you can see that the market has gone down on 2nd of March 2020, and I have taken just a sell position because the market was into the top red boundary, and I have taken a sell chance into the way, and then I recovered my $20 loss. And then what I did, I manually closed these all trades. So guys, if you keep this strategy going on with using this trading system, because you know that I'm also providing this trading system for free with the expert advisor, only because you should when the loss exceeds, you should not let the drawdown bigger. So when the market is into the lower red boundary and if it's gaining the momentum, then you can take a buy chance. And when it's into the top red boundary, like for example, look at Euro Canadian dollar here, it's into the top red boundary and still it does not started the bearish pattern. So if your loss exceeds $20, then you can take a sell chance. If we go back, then you can see we have a series of profits with no problems. Overall guys, if you look at the results are pretty fine, and these are excellent results as per my analysis, that this is giving us a very good results with no problem. So guys, go for it. This is a very good expert advisor, and the more good thing is that you are also getting the trading system for free with the expert advisor, so that you can trade manually when the drawdowns get bigger. Otherwise there is no need. Simply set up the basic rule that when your loss exceeds $20, then only you have to do manual trading. Otherwise let the expert advisor work and you should catch consistent profits. Okay guys, this is all about the analysis for the expert advisor. Moreover, if you are willing to get this expert advisor, if you are willing to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Guys, please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. Bye.